Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Find My Device on your Android. You go to your settings, go to security, and this is it, Find My Device. Click on it and this is it. Just click open. My device is already open. You're going to use password to do it. Let's use my password now to locate. So I've off it, so I've turned off my Find My Device, but I'm going to turn it on back by using the password. And you click on the ways to find your device. If you lost your phone, you can click Find My Device app on Google or Find My Device web. So you can just click on it here. That is how you find your device if you lost your phone. If you found this video helpful, click on the share button, like and comment. Thank you for watching.